Have you ever wondered about the meaning of life? Why are we here, and where are we going? Islam answers these questions with clarity and purpose. It's more than a religion. It's a complete way of life that guides us in every aspect. Stay with me as we explore what Islam truly means and how it connects us to peace, purpose, and the Creator. Islam, at its heart, means peace and submission. Peace with yourself, others, and your Creator by submitting to Allah's will. Muslim is someone who chooses this path of peace and obedience. This isn't blind submission. It's based on understanding, trust, and faith in Allah's wisdom. As the Quran beautifully says, indeed, the religion in the sight of Allah is Islam. Core beliefs of Islam. Islam is built on 6 core beliefs that shape a Muslim's life. Belief in Allah, the one and only Creator. He is perfect, eternal, and unlike anything we can imagine. Say He is Allah, the One. Belief in angels, who carry out His commands. Belief in divine books, including the Torah, Psalms, Gospel, and the Quran, the final revelation. Belief in prophets. From Adam to Muhammad, peace be upon him, they were sent to guide humanity. Belief in the Day of Judgment, a day when everyone will be accountable for their actions. Belief in divine decree. Knowing that Allah's wisdom and plan cover all things, big and small. The pillars of Islam. These beliefs come to life through 5 key practices called the pillars of Islam. Shahada, faith, declaring, there is no God but Allah, and Muhammad is His messenger, peace be upon him. This is the foundation of Islam. Salah, prayer. Muslims pray 5 times daily, staying connected to Allah and finding peace. Indeed, prayer prevents immorality and wrongdoing. Zakat, charity, sharing wealth with those in need, purifying both our money and our hearts. Psalm fasting. During Ramadan, Muslims fast from dawn to sunset, learning self-discipline and gratitude. Hajj, pilgrimage, a once-in-a-lifetime journey to Makkah for those who are able, uniting Muslims from all over the world. What makes Islam special? Islam is unique because it's not just about worship. It's a complete guide to living a meaningful life. It teaches us how to treat others, care for our families, and even handle global issues. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, "The best among you are those with the best manners." Islam's message is for everyone, regardless of age, race, or background. It speaks of justice, equality, and accountability, values that touch the heart of every human being. Islam asks us to think deeply about life. Who created us? Why are we here? What happens after we leave this world? The Quran asks, did you think we created you without purpose? These questions lead us to discover that life has meaning when we align ourselves with Allah's guidance. By embracing Islam, we find peace in this life and success in the hereafter. So, whether you're exploring Islam for the first time or rediscovering it, remember that it all starts with a sincere heart and a desire to learn. Thank you for watching, and may this journey bring you closer to understanding the beauty of Islam. Let me know your thoughts below. What did this inspire in you? I'd love to hear from you.